Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about how to create a Scrivener 3 for Windows paperback format that doesn't already exist in the custom formats. This is surprisingly easy. First, to find out what all the paperback defaults are, you can visit this page on the Amazon website. You'll see there's one table with the book dimensions and another with the required minimum margins. Link in the description. Alternatively, you can download the KDP template you want to emulate and look at the margin settings and copy those. Link for that also in the description. Once you're armed with the information you need, go into Compile. To make this as easy as possible, select one of the two default paperback formats. Then double-click on one of the section layouts in the central panel and create a new custom format for your template. Next, go to Page Settings and click on Page Setup at the top. Click on the three dots and enter the dimensions of the book template you require. Click OK and then click on the Margins button below. This shows you all the inside and outside top and bottom margin settings. Check these against the Amazon chart or the KDP template and adjust as required. The Scrivener templates seem to be set to a maximum that will fit all book lengths, which the KDP templates must be too, or they wouldn't work. So you might want to reduce them for a smaller book. But bear in mind, this may make your pages look too wordy and be off-putting to a reader. So that's your basic template created. Now all you have to do is customize all the other elements you need. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.